So these are areas of my little workshop I've not seen in a long time. It's basically a thing, I think it's called a floor. Yeah, that's it, floor. Floor, not FLAW. But look, I can see areas of it at last. So, yeah, that's the result. I even went so far as to clear out most of the stuff that was hanging around in the rafters. Well, it seemed like a good idea. As you can see, there's quite a bit of vacated space on my shelves. All my steel stock is now up here. You can see it, just about see it there. Some wheels up there. And I think I've got some more tidying to do. But I'm very pleased. It's sort of getting there. Anyway, there we go. I've had enough for one day. And then, of course, I might be able to clear this bench a little bit and be able to put things on the surface.